Stuck on the dreaded Netflix spinning circle? Stop wasting time searching for fixes. Here is how to get back to your show in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Check your connection. Netflix requires at least 5 megabits per second for high-definition streaming. Head to fast.com to verify your speed. If your speed is low, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. A stable network is the backbone of smooth streaming. Step 2. Clear the Netflix cache. This is a common culprit for loading loops, especially on smart TVs and gaming consoles. Navigate to your device's app settings, select Netflix, and choose Clear Cache. Note that this won't delete your profile or watch history. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you might need to clear data. This will sign you out, so have your login credentials ready. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. This is more than just turning it off and on. It clears the system's temporary memory. Unplug your device from the power source for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button to discharge it completely. Plug it back in, launch Netflix, and see if the loop is gone. This simple reset fixes the majority of software-level glitches. Finally, step 4. Update your app. Netflix regularly releases patches for playback bugs just like this one. Go to your app store, check for updates, and install any pending versions. Also, ensure your device's system software is fully up to date. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app. This provides a clean slate and often resolves persistent loading issues. Remember, these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Avoid third-party recovery services as they are security risks. For persistent hardware issues, visit help.netflix.com or contact their official support line for further assistance. That's it. You're back in the action. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. See you next time.